Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Tech Steps channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way to bring the My Computer icon back to your desktop in case it's not showing up on your computer screen. First, I'm going to delete my Computer icon here. Now, to retrieve the My Computer icon, right-click on an empty space on your desktop and select Personalize. In the settings window that appears, choose Themes. Next, click on the Desktop Icon Settings menu. A dialog box will pop up. Here, check the box next to Computer to select the icon that will display on your desktop. You'll also see other options for the Recycle Bin, Control Panel, or Network. The icons you select will appear on your desktop. Finally, click Apply and OK to save the changes. And that's it. Note that if your Windows isn't activated, the Desktop Icon Settings menu will be disabled, and you won't be able to access this setting. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.